so unexpected. Wow. After almost 2 years of trying to get a successful recording on this siren, I finally got one. Yes. I'm speechless right now. We're gonna go walk up under the siren. All right, hold on, I gotta catch my breath. All right, I'm still trying to catch my breath because wow. If you guys are wondering, why am I so surprised from this? I've been trying to get a siren test on this since October of 2021. It's February of 2023. And I finally got a successful siren test from this siren. I'm so happy right now. But since to celebrate, I'm just gonna, this is my first time going directly under this siren. And this 130, may I mention, it was fairly loud. If anything, I'd say it definitely beat the Lockwood Boulevard siren. So, never really seen this siren. I'm not sure what that is right there. It's undershot. Alrighty.